Welcome to Sudoku KVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, April 4, 2024, 3-star Sudoku. Second grade, we have 167. It will come the two cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. The 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Or column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fifth grade, only one numbers remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Eighth grade, column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column G, and sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, fifth row and sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fourth grade and sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column A, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4, 8. Seventh row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Eighth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, ninth row, column G, column I, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 7. It will come in one of these cells. Third row and second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, second row and first row, we have 2. Or column H and second row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5. Sorry, 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First grade and column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell 1 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.